Dear children, once again we will start the exercise number 1, GST. So in the previous class I completed 2 sums. Now today I am going to start the third question. So what the third question says? A microwave oven having a marked price of 22,000 was sold by a dealer in Patna, Bihar to a consumer in Gaya, Bihar. Okay. So now we will write who sold to whom. Okay. Third question. So here in this question, the dealer in Patna, Bihar, dealer sold to whom he sold? A consumer in Gaya. So same state. Gaya also in Bihar state. So consumer. You sold a micro oven. So what is the market price? Market price is equal to 22,000. Market price 22,000. So same state. Same state means what? It is intra-state. Interstate means what? State to state. Intrastate means within the state. So the transaction is going within the state. Understood, student? So now this Patna person, dealer, is selling the good. That is nothing but what is the micro oven. He is selling micro oven to Gaya, consumer. So same state. So market price is 22,000. So what is the discount he is giving for him? Discount is equal to 25%. Discount is equal to 25%. Now what will be the selling price? So what is the selling price? Is equal to, so market price is how much? 22,000 minus discount also given 25% of 22,000, isn't it? So 22,000 minus 25 by 100 into 22,000. 2 zeros will be cancelled. 2 zeros will be cancelled. So now what happens here? 22,000 minus, so this is how much now? 220 into 25. 25 by 0, 25 2 is 50. 25 2 is 50 plus 5, 55. 5,500 rupees discount. Okay. So what happens now? 22,000 minus 5,500. This leads to 10 minus 5. This is 11 minus 5 is 6. Here 1 remains. 16,500 is the selling price. Okay. Now what the GST they are giving? GST is 18%. So GST is how much they are given? 18%. GST is 18%. Now calculate the IGST, CGST and SGST charge from the consumer. Also determine the total amount of bill. So IGST will not come into existence here because the transaction is taking place within the state. So therefore IGST will be 0. So what is CGST? CGST is equal to, so I told already in the previous class, CGST and SGST means CGST is the tax goes to the central government, SGST is the GST goes to the state government, isn't it? Now, so total GST, how much the government is weighing upon? That is 18%. So 18% means 9% will go to the central government and the remaining 9% will go to the state government. So remember that point. So now what is the CGST? 9% of 16,500. That is equal to 9 by 100 into 16,500. Two zeros cancels. So what is the answer? 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4, 58. 9 1 are 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1,485 is the similarly SGST also 9% of 16,500, that is 9 by 100 into 16,500. Two zeros cancel. This is also 1,485. So that is the amount. So now what we have to find out? Total bill for the consumer in Gaya. So therefore total bill is equal to, so what you have to add? You have to add the amount. What is the amount he has to pay? Amount is equal to 16,500 plus CGST also you have to add. CGST is 1,485. Similarly SGST also we have to add 1,485. So total is 10, 17, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14. 1, 2, 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 19,470 rupees. The customer has to pay. That means the consumer, Gaya consumer has to pay 19,470 rupees. Understood now? So what is the transaction going on here? The transaction going on within the state. So Patna dealer is selling the micro oven to the Gaya consumer. So Patna and Gaya both are in the same state. Therefore it is what type of transaction? Intrastate transaction. So what is market price? This much. Discount is 25%. GST is 18%. So therefore what is the selling price now? 22,000 minus, because discount he has giving. So therefore what is the amount will be? Selling price will be 16,500. Now IGST will be 0. Why? Because this is within the state transaction, intrastate transaction. So what is the CGST? We have to take 9% of this amount. 9% means 1,485. SGST also 1,485. So total bill is equal to, amount is 16,500 he has to pay, plus along with the tax, CGST and SGST. Total 19,470 he has to pay for the whom? For the dealer. Understood, students? So note down this sum. So same method you have to use for the fourth question. So what is the fourth question says? A dealer in Mumbai sold a telescope to an end user in Bangalore. So Mumbai to Bangalore. This is state to state transaction. The market price of the telescope was 25,000 rupees. Dealer offered a discount of 20%. If the rate of GST is 28%, calculate IGST, CGST, SGST charged from the end user, also determine the total amount of bill. So here IGST comes into existence, isn't it? So find out what is IGST, CGST and SGST charged from the end user. Okay. This question I will give you as homework. Fourth one I will give you as homework. So one thing you have to remember, if it is a state to state transaction, here IGST will come into picture, but CGST, SGST 0, and the total bill you have to find out. So IGST plus the amount. selling price. So that is nothing but a total bill. Okay.